So how about now clarifying the counts of the first movement, the Fountain of Life, and the counts existing within the first whole movement made up of 7 movements. Yeah? Wonderful. So starting with the fountain, we start in 0 point, as you know, and then count 1 is one side of the body, 2 becomes the second asymmetrical connection, and 3 becomes the union as the left and the right becomes one at the center of your heart. That's count 3. Count 4 is when you're going into the diamond, and 5 is the arrival to the diamond or central crown. Yeah? So remember 1, 2, that is 3, that is 4, and this is 5. Okay? Then from 6, 7, and then count 8 is moving heart. Yeah? So again, count 1, 2, 3 becomes symmetry, 4 toward the diamond, 5 is the diamond. So remember, 5 is central crown. 6, 7, and 8 is moving heart. From then, 1 and 2 becomes central crown again. 2 is central crown. 3, 4, and count 5 becomes self. Then before I call it a definition. Yeah? But in reality it's a connection. It's the connection, definition if you want to say, of self. This is count 5. And then you have 3 counts to descend and ascend until 0 point balance. When we start this direction again, count 1 becomes 2, becomes the unity of 3. Yeah? 1, 2 becomes 3, and 4 goes toward the diamond, and 5 becomes the diamond. And then if you start with this arm the second time, that becomes 6, becomes the encircling the diamond, 7, and 8 becomes moving heart, the center of your heart as it corresponds to the center of the pelvis. And then from then, 1 and count 2 is the central crown. 3, you have 3 counts now, so because in 5, you're going to arrive to self, which is right here, and then you have 3 counts, 6, 7, and 8, to arrive in 0 point, from which you begin the movement of unity and motion. Okay? So that's the counts and the first essential movement called the Fountain of Life. Now, in unity and motion is simple. It's 4 and 4. So it's only that in the first time you gather the wave, and the other one you are encircling the wave, and 0 point you gather the wave. You have 4 counts to arrive to foundation. Yeah? So from gathering the wave you have 1, and 2 is a moving connection that is called suspended wave. It's a place in which the elbows suspend my rib cage. Yeah? So from 1, and that will become the suspended wave, which you can descend to foundation, and then you have 4 counts to arrive in ground. And from then on, it's the same. 2 becomes suspended wave, 4 becomes foundation, 4, 2, 3, 4 becomes ground. Yeah? And we do that 3 times. This is the 3rd time, and we complete and ground. Now, the counts in the second movement, after the Fountain of Life, is 4 counts to foundation, the same 4, and now 1, 2, uniting the heart, right here at the center of the heart. And in here, you have 4 counts passing through. You have 4 counts that nothing happens except you saying, okay, I am in the center of a space, I'm not too much back, I'm not too much back, here I am in the center. So after 4 counts, you descend in 2, 3, and 4, and you complete and crown. So if we do this movement again, we'll start in crown, we take us 4 count to foundation, 2, 3, 4, it takes us 4 count to get to central heart, take us 4 count to expand, to make sure that we are in the center of a space, take us 4 counts to descend, and it takes us 4 counts to go to crown. A total of 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now the third movement is the same. 4 counts to foundation, 4 counts raising, releasing the wave to bring us to suspended diamond. And in suspended diamond, we usually don't spend any time. We'll touch it and we are descending it. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So this one has 16 counts. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You touch it right there, and then you're descending. 2, 3, 4, and then you complete it. That was the counts of the third movement. The fourth one is the same. 4 counts to get a foundation. 1, 2, 3, 4 counts to get a central crown. 4, 2, 3, 4 counts to go to moving heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is count self. 6, 7, and 8. And now we enter in 0 point. Let's do this last one more time because it's different. The fourth movement, okay? We begin in crown and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now we complete, we start in 0 point, yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we do the mandala. The inner form of the mandala becomes the outer form, and this is count 2, yeah. So if we begin in 0 point, the last movement, the inner and the outer, begin 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So remember the 2 is infinity, and then 3 and 4 is expansion, and then you have 4 counts to get to crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have 4 counts to come back to foundation as you did it before and complete in crown. Yeah, that was the 5th movement. Now the 6th movement, it takes again from foundation. You raise the energy and you bend in the descending spring, remember? And you go 4 counts and you touch this motion at count 2. Touching balance is called 2. Okay? So let's go back again just softly since you're looking at it. We'll start in crown. Yeah? We're going to go to foundation. We're going to release all the centers forward. We're going to bend the knees in the descending spring, and we're going to arrive at count 2 after the first 4, touching balance. So we're going to do it 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You touch 2. There 2, and then 3, 4, and now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 is infinity. 3, 4 is expansion. 2, 3, 4 is crown. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you complete in crown. 2, 3, and 4. Now, the last movement, again, start in foundation, and you have 2 counts to go to one side of the body. 1 and 2, and you return by 3 and 4. And again, 1 and 2, and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. And now you have 2 counts to arrive to symmetry. 2 counts to descend to foundation, and 4 counts to complete and crown. That will be the counts in this first whole movement.